you'll never actually change something that you're not aware could change. So sit with that quote. But as you start to question what you've been told, then things may fall away. And that's part of this journey is before your psyche gets better, it may have to get a little worse, but it getting worse is not actually worse. It just feels bad because you're feeling things that were repressed. Okay? I'm going to move a little bit just because the sun is so strong. But with level one, we're kind of looking cognitively at your relationship to your psyche. And if there is a negative worldview, then what do we do about that, right? We surely need to question it. Else, what you're going to create is just your worldview. See, that's the thing. What abracadabra genuinely means in Latin is I create as I speak. And I'm not, the word enlightenment is just nonsense because the mind will do anything to uh, achieve certain things. But the real sense of being aware is just that. It's that you're aware that you're creating as you're speaking, that every moment is actually in your hands.